What up, y'all? We at Black Gold Harley Davidson, man. Hey, I hadn't had a chance to come and check out the new bikes. So your boy finna go check out the new bikes. I know there's been a lot of videos out. I wasn't gonna do a video over this, over the new bikes, cause there's so many videos out there that everybody has done and did a great job showing the bikes. My dude Cycle Fanatics did an awesome job showing the bikes. My dude Just GQ, they had a chance to test ride the bikes, but man, we finna check them out, man. Let's go see what's going on. So yeah, they got the new lineup right when I walk in the freaking door. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at the new. What's going on, Rob? How's it going? Good to see you, man. Boy, these boys is on point, man. Ooh, this one got me right here, bro. Yes.
25th anniversary CBO.
Got the 2-in-1 chrome works on there too. Yeah. Man. Hey, that's what's up. I really like that black one though, man. I like black. I like black, man. That 2-in-1 Eclipse on there, huh? It's waiting for me, Rob. Yeah. They got my dude Big Mike in there. What's up, man?
How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Yeah.
Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you.
Yes, sir, man.
You can take one for a demo today.
I can take one for a demo. I didn't even bring my helmet. I should have. But man, that's sweet, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, I need to take one for a demo ride, y'all. Man, this got my attention right here. Look at the seat, man. The orange stitching, the speakers. Whew. Yeah. I can't trade Cone again, though. What's up, Tracy? How you doing?
What do you mean?
Good to see you.
Me too. See that beautiful girl over there?
Who?
At the table.
Who is that?
See? That's my granddaughter.
That's your granddaughter?
Haley.
Oh, Haley. Yeah,
Everybody's coming in.
I had to come check out the bikes.
Kelly's checking out the CVOs. I should have known you'd be in here checking them out.
Hey, I didn't even see the white one. I went right past. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this got the pearl in it, y'all. The pearl color, look at that.
I love my bike though.
Right. Got the 117 on here. I don't think they did anything to this exhaust on this one. Yeah. Oh my gosh, man. Ooh, the infotainment center. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Hey, it make your boy want to trade in. I ain't trading Cone. I can't do it, bro. That's too much work I done to my bike. But for a second bike, definitely. So I would say maybe one more year, I'm gonna get me a second bike. Cause I'm not selling Cone, but I will get me a second bike. So yeah, man, let's take a look around, see what's going down. Let's check out the new bikes. Y'all. Now I would get that right there. That's always been my first choice of a bike with a street glide. Man, 28 for this 117 right here. That boy's nice. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at that gray. Look at that gray, baby. Woo. Woo, man. I love this right here. The infotainment center it just takes the cake, baby. All the hand controls. I'm trying not to get copywritten on this stuff. And I love the wheels, man. I wouldn't mind having those on Cone. But I've been looking at some more wheels for Cone. It's a little bit nicer wheel. But man, that blue is, man, hey y'all. One thing I can say, these colors, man, they did the fool on the colors. I love it. Oh, there go the short, what's it, shark skin, what they call it, the blue. Let's check this one out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is sweet. That is sweet. Hey y'all, they got a green one over here. I hadn't seen this color. Am I right? Yeah, this is a green one. Got the what's the name, man? The two of the sparkles in there, the specs. Oh wow. So yeah, baby. Hey, Black Gold got it for you over here, dude. As always, they always got some good stuff. You can see the inventory in here. Look at this inventory. It's crazy in here. It's definitely crazy in here. So you can definitely come in here. They got the street glides over here. Yeah, I gotta say something. Them street glides, these street glides are on point. The only thing I don't like on this one here is the matte black dash. Because with this shiny color here and this gloss black here, this should have been gloss right here. But you know, somebody fair in exchange or somebody will make something for that so that you can get that changed out. Cause I know a lot of people are gonna change that. But that 117, y'all, I'm not gonna even lie. That 117, the only thing I would do is a cam on that thing and change the exhaust. I had to rock the seat and see how the seat is and the bars. That would be it. But doing any big motor work on them, nah, man. Throw me a cam on there and I'm good. Oh, what's up? You ride the trike, I remember. I'm good. How you doing, man?
I'm all right.
Yeah, man. I thought that was you when I pulled up and I looked. I said, I think I know that guy. Okay, to get some work done to it. So, yeah, I just want to come in here today and show the new bikes. Cause, oh my God. Y'all, this shark fade, whatever they call it, Mako shark, what they call this bike, y'all? Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. But I love it in this street glide, y'all. Oh man, I love it, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, and I would change the windshield on it. But other than that, man, the seat will be changed, the windshield, the shift linkage, that's finna gotta go. Put a heel toe shifter on there. Oh, I like where they got the horn located. That's the horn right there. It's up out the way, you know. They made that a lot easier so you could change your spark plugs too, cause the other one was up under your seat. But the bars, the seat, shift linkage, add the heel toe shifter, change the exhaust, maybe the seat, like I said, in the bars, and the inside the fairing, maybe put a cam on it. Hey, that'll be it, baby. But yeah, I just had to come in here and show y'all that, and let y'all see what was going down, baby. Yeah. So yeah, they got him in here. Yeah, they got him in here, baby. They got him in here for you, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can't go wrong at Black Gold Harley Davidson, baby. You cannot do it. What up?
What's up?
I'm chilling. How you doing?
Good.
What's up, big dog? I'm good, man. How you doing, man? What's up there, man?
How you doing?
I'm chilling, man. Trying not to buy a new bike so early, man. Yeah. What's up, dog? How you doing, man? Yes, sir. Is Matt here today? Wally! What's up, man? What?
How are you?
I'm good, man. How you doing? Is my thing recording? I'm recording. Y'all, this dude don't like to be on camera, but this is a man behind all the dyno work right here.
It's okay.
And he said he don't like being on camera, but this is my dude Matt right here. This who does my dyno to my bike. But man, I want to show y'all his bike, man. And I got you on the spot today, so you're gonna tell me a few things you done put on this bike. Hey man, I see you did something to the shifter down there. What shift linkage is that?
So I made this out of 2 different shift languages to take the quick shifts.
What?
And then it's got the TC inner arm,
Yeah.
TC shorter outer arm, footboard to peg conversion, and the
I love them boards, man.
you know, the small floorboards.
Make the bike lighter
The
too.
Jim's force filler recently.
What?
Big fan back here.
Oh, okay.
Pulls the heads off. And then ultra
Got the
cool.
ultra cool, yeah.
Lindall wheels.
Ooh, I love.
recently.
I'm about to come up here and get the
Got the
ultra cool
rotors
put on.
Coming in, they'll be in here.
What rotors you going with?
Yaffe, it's a 5-star, matches the rim and the wave.
Oh, okay.
Matches the same rim pattern.
Okay, that's what's. I love them wheels, man. I gotta change mine too. Everybody think I got stopped. I talked to Traveling
Maybe,
Taller.
Strut here.
Right.
Make something work for that. But a little different than
See, man, your bike set up in the front kind of low. What you got in the front? What's suspension? Legend. See, come mine is lower. I was about the same in the front.
My rear kicked up another half an inch.
Okay.
Like 14.25 right now.
Okay.
Yeah, here you can really see the board. The peg
Oh yeah, man, I love that, bro.
And then this is a
So-
2.5 inch shorter brake lever.
Ooh, that is clean though, bro.
Not really nice and super light, but
Ooh,
right there.
I like that, bro. What company is this?
These are Harley foot to peg mount, floorboard to peg mount adapters.
Right.
Pro 1 brake lever, TC.
Oh, that's TC. It sure is. Okay.
Yeah, all of it's TC except the floorboard mounts and the brake lever.
Right. Man, dude, that boy clean. I love the bar setup, y'all. Don't y'all love that short? What's the name of them bars?
Buck 50, I think.
That's the name of them?
Yeah, it's a series. Yeah, buck 25 and buck 50. I think I went with a buck 50. So I don't remember 100% for a while.
Wow. And he running the D&D 2-in-1, y'all. And that baby is loud. He ain't gonna tell you, he ain't gonna give you no specs on the motor car, y'all. Believe me, this is not a stock motor, y'all. So if you see this black bite on the street, don't pull up on him. If you do, you might be in for a big surprise. He got the transmission cover, and he has the R.
A1 cycles there.
That's A1 cycles.
Trash stabilizer here. Got ED16 bearings and swing arm with the alloy art bushings back there.
Wow.
Rear end real tight.
Right, man. I see you change the seat out.
Yeah, back to the STC.
I like that seat though, man. That fits you though, man. That fits you. Yeah, man, that's my dude, Matt. Y'all, let me tell you, if you want a great dyno on your bike, this the man to see. My bike will be up here real soon. He got the flow levers on there. But
Fairing dropped to almost 2 inches.
did it?
Yeah, well, it's been.
Oh yeah, you told me about that. That's what I like about it, man. He's running
Different stance for sure.
right. Yeah, I gotta get that right there. I got to get the bonnet right there, y'all. That's in my cart right now. I just ain't
I think it's one of the best improvements.
Yeah, I love the lights that
Headlights were probably the best thing I've done as far as
I love the lights, man.
functionality.
See, one thing I like about it, you still can put your deals on there, so I can still use my. I know I
It's like
can.
a factory option. You know, the LP6s look weird.
So I can still use my custom dynamic vent lights, can I? Yeah, that's what I want to do. I love the way my vent lights look. But yeah, man. But that's my dude Matt bike right here, y'all. But right here at Black Gold Harley Davidson, he don't like being on camera, but I knew I'd catch him. I caught him at the right time. Y'all see him? We got the Screaming Eagle O-Ling suspension on the rear. So yeah, baby. So we out, man. But I would tell him to crank it up, but he crank it up in here, dog. It's gonna go through this building big time. You can't crank it in here, can you? Hey, we finna fire this sucker up. He gonna fire it up for him. Hey, y'all, he making crazy numbers on this thing. Crazy numbers. I ain't gonna tell you. He told me one time before the numbers he pulled, but crazy numbers. Hey y'all, making crazy numbers, baby. Yo. Hey y'all, hey, I'm telling y'all, don't pull up on him. Do not. But man, Appreciate you, man. I know you didn't want to do this, but man, you know you my boy. Appreciate you. Let's go holler at my dude David over here. Man, I just had to come and see my people and check out the new bikes. Mike did offer me a. What's up, man? I ain't seen you in a while.
Kelly had to step away. He had to change his pants.
Hey, man, that thing is loud. Yeah, that thing is crazy. And he making great numbers on that too, man.
Yeah, he's got freaking 30. He's got 30,000 decked heads. He's got high dome pistons in it. He's about 11.5 to 1. He's got things rebuilding that house.
Yeah. Well, y'all, that's going to conclude the day at Black Gold Harley Davidson. I just had to come and check out the 2024 bikes up here. Hopefully, I get to ride them real soon. They offered to let me test ride, but I didn't have a helmet, and I didn't have none of my GoPro stuff, and I wanted to bring y'all some footage and talk to y'all about the bike and tell y'all what I think about the bike. Hey, by the looks of it, hey, I'm down with it, baby. So y'all have a blessed one. Stay safe. Till next time, baby. The next grind. I'm out of here, baby. I love y'all. Peace.